Do you ever wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep? Maybe you hit the snooze button a few times hoping for just a little more rest, but no matter how long you stay in bed, you still feel drained. It's as if your body just can't recharge no matter what you do. This kind of exhaustion can be frustrating, especially when you're doing your best to get enough sleep and take care of yourself. Maybe you see a puffy face staring back at you in the mirror, your eyes a little swollen, your skin looking tired and dull. It's easy to brush it off as just another rough morning, but what if there's more to it? Or maybe you notice your stomach feels bloated and uncomfortable no matter what you eat. That stubborn belly bloat just won't seem to go away, making your clothes feel tight and your confidence take a hit. You might blame it on stress, a busy lifestyle, or simply getting older. But what if the real culprit is something you haven't even considered, something hidden deep inside your gut? Most people don't realize that the root of these issues could be lurking in their digestive system, quietly affecting their energy, mood, and overall health. Your energy and well-being are directly tied to the health of your colon. When your digestive system is working smoothly, you feel lighter, more energetic, and ready to take on the day. But when things get backed up, your whole body feels the effects. Think of your colon as your body's waste management system. When it's backed up, everything slows down. Just like a city can't function with overflowing garbage, your body can't operate at its best when waste isn't being cleared out efficiently. Just like an overflowing trash can, a clogged colon creates a toxic environment inside you. Toxins and waste build up, making you feel sluggish, uncomfortable, and even irritable. Over time, this toxic buildup can start to affect every part of your life, from your mood to your motivation. This buildup blocks nutrient absorption, so even healthy food can't fuel your body properly. You might be eating all the right things, fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, but if your colon is clogged, your body can't absorb the vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. It's like trying to water a plant with a blocked hose. No matter how much you try, nothing gets through. The result? Fatigue that lingers all day, headaches that seem to come out of nowhere, skin problems like breakouts or dullness, unexplained weight gain, and that constant heavy, bloated feeling that just won't go away. These symptoms can make everyday life feel like a struggle, and it's easy to feel discouraged when nothing seems to help. These aren't random symptoms. They're your body's alarm bells, warning you that something isn't right inside. Your body is incredibly smart, and it's always trying to communicate with you. When you start to notice these signs, it's time to pay attention. It's time to pay attention and give your internal plumbing the cleaning it needs. Just like you wouldn't ignore a clogged sink or a leaky pipe, you shouldn't ignore the signals your body is sending. Taking care of your colon can help restore your energy, improve your mood, and help you feel like yourself again. Your body is asking for a reset. Are you ready to listen? Imagine waking up refreshed with a clear mind and a light, comfortable body. It all starts with understanding what your gut is trying to tell you, and taking the first step toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Our modern lifestyle is taking a toll on our digestive health, especially our colon. With the constant availability of processed foods, sugary snacks, and meals that are low in fiber, our colons are often left struggling to keep up. These foods may be convenient and tasty, but they slow down the natural movement of our digestive system, making it harder for waste to move through efficiently. Over time, this can lead to uncomfortable symptoms like bloating, constipation, and even more serious digestive issues. The colon, which is responsible for absorbing water and forming stool, can become overwhelmed by the lack of nutrients and fiber in our diets. Fiber acts like a gentle scrub brush for your intestines, sweeping away waste and keeping things moving smoothly. Yet most people fall far short of the recommended daily intake. Instead of filling our plates with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, we often reach for quick, processed options that are stripped of their natural fiber. This not only slows digestion but can also increase the risk of colon problems over time. Water is just as important. Dehydration makes everything worse. Your colon needs plenty of water to keep waste soft and moving. When you don't drink enough, your digestive system has to work harder, and the colon can't do its job properly. When you're dehydrated, your body tries to conserve water by pulling it from your colon, leaving waste dry, hard, and difficult to pass. This can lead to painful constipation and a feeling of heaviness or discomfort in your abdomen. But it's not just about what you eat or drink. Stress is another major factor that can disrupt your colon's natural rhythm. Have you ever noticed that you get constipated or have stomach troubles when you're anxious, under pressure, or traveling? That's because stress hormones can actually slow down your digestive system, making it harder for your colon to do its job. The connection between your brain and gut is powerful. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that can stall your colon's natural rhythm, leading to irregularity and discomfort. This gut-brain link means that emotional health is just as important as physical health when it comes to digestion. Another culprit is our increasingly sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long hours at a desk or in front of a screen can make your digestive system sluggish. Physical inactivity slows down the movement of your intestines, making it harder for waste to travel through your colon. The good news is that even a brisk daily walk can help wake up your colon and get things moving again. Regular movement encourages healthy digestion and can prevent many common colon complaints. So it's not just about what you eat, but how you live. Your daily habits, what you put on your plate, how much water you drink, how you manage stress, and how often you move, all play a role in your colon's health. The best part? You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Small, consistent changes like adding more fiber-rich foods, drinking extra water, taking short walks, and practicing stress management techniques can make a big difference over time. These simple steps can help your colon function at its best and keep you feeling lighter and more comfortable. Remember, your colon needs ongoing support, not just quick fixes. By making mindful choices every day, you can help your digestive system thrive and prevent problems before they start. When people want to reset their colon, they often reach for laxatives or extreme cleanses. Laxatives can create dependency, making your colon lazy over time. Juice fasts and detoxes are hard to stick with, expensive, and can leave you feeling weak. Colon hydrotherapy is invasive, costly, and not practical for most people. These methods are harsh, inconvenient, and disrupt your life. What you really need is something gentle, simple, and effective. A solution that fits into your daily routine, not one that turns it upside down. The goal is to support your body's natural processes, not shock your system. That's why a natural, easy-to-make remedy can be a true game-changer. Let's find a better way to help your colon and your whole body feel its best. Imagine a gentle, effective colon cleanse you can make in your own kitchen in minutes. No harsh chemicals, no expensive treatments, no complicated routines. This simple drink uses just a few natural ingredients you probably already have at home. It's fast, easy, and designed to work with your body, not against it. All you need is a glass, a spoon, and the right combination of ingredients. Start your day with this drink and feel lighter and more comfortable within minutes. It hydrates, softens stubborn waste, and stimulates gentle muscle contractions to move everything out. This isn't a violent purge, it's a gentle nudge for your body to do what it's meant to do. Make it part of your morning ritual for a quick, effective reset. Take control of your digestive health without turning your life upside down. Ready to learn how it works? Have you ever wondered how a single drink can make such a dramatic difference in how you feel, sometimes in just minutes? The answer lies in a fascinating process called osmosis, which is all about the movement of water in your body. When you take a sip, you're not just quenching your thirst, you're setting off a chain reaction that works deep inside your digestive system. This drink is specially formulated with minerals that dissolve quickly, creating a high concentration in your colon. This concentration acts like a magnet, drawing water from surrounding tissues into your colon to balance things out. It's a gentle, natural process that uses your body's own chemistry to get things moving. As water rushes into your colon, it acts almost like a power washer, flooding the area and softening any old, stuck waste that's been lingering. This powerful flow helps break up stubborn material that might otherwise take days to move on its own. Imagine soaking a dirty dish in warm water. The grime loosens, making it easy to wipe away. That's exactly what's happening inside you. The water loosens up the waste so your body can clear it out with much less effort. But there's more to the magic. One of the key ingredients in this drink also gently stimulates the muscles in your colon, encouraging them to contract in a natural wave-like motion. This is called peristalsis, and it's your body's way of moving things along the digestive tract. So, not only are you loosening up waste, but you're also giving your colon a gentle push, helping it do what it's designed to do, move waste out efficiently and comfortably. Think of it as a two-part system. First, the water softens and breaks up the waste, then the gentle muscle stimulation sweeps it out. It's a simple, effective process that works in harmony with your body. The best part? This process is completely natural. There are no harsh chemicals or artificial stimulants, just hydration, minerals, and a gentle nudge to help your body do what it does best. Most people notice results surprisingly fast, often within just 10 to 30 minutes. That means you don't have to wait around all day for relief. By working with your body's own natural systems, you get a fast, satisfying cleanse that leaves you feeling lighter, more comfortable, and ready to take on your day. It's a smart, simple, and incredibly effective way to support your digestive health. No complicated routines or waiting for days. Forget about waiting days for relief or dealing with uncomfortable bloating. With this drink, you can feel better in less than an hour and get back to living your life. So, what exactly is inside this miracle drink that makes it so effective? Let's take a closer look at the ingredients and see how each one plays a role in this gentle, powerful cleanse. The star ingredient is food-grade Epsom salt. Magnesium sulfate, not table salt. Magnesium creates the osmotic effect, pulling water into your colon for a gentle flush. It's a time-tested, safe remedy for constipation. The second ingredient is warm water, which dissolves the salt and soothes your digestive system. Warm water relaxes your gut, making the cleanse more comfortable. The third ingredient is fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice stimulates bile production and wakes up your digestive system. Together, Epsom salt, warm water, and lemon juice create a powerful natural synergy. No artificial chemicals, just pure, simple ingredients working together. This trio is your ticket to a fast, effective, and natural cleanse. Ready to make the drink? Here's how. Gather 2 teaspoons of food-grade Epsom salt, 1 cup of warm water, and juice from half a lemon. Make sure your Epsom salt is food grade. Never use bath salts with added fragrances. Warm the water until it's like a cup of tea, not boiling. Pour the water into a glass, add the Epsom salt, and stir until fully dissolved. Squeeze in the lemon juice and give it one last stir. That's it, your colon cleanse drink is ready. For best results, drink it on an empty stomach, ideally first thing in the morning. Drink the whole glass at a comfortable pace. It's salty and sour, so don't sip slowly. Now relax and let the drink do its work. Stay close to a bathroom, the effects can be quick. You're just minutes away from a cleaner, lighter you. After drinking, stay near a bathroom. Effects often start within 10 to 30 minutes. You'll likely have several loose, watery bowel movements as your colon flushes out old waste. This is normal and means the cleanse is working. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Many people feel lighter, less bloated, and more comfortable right away. In the days after, you may notice more energy, clearer thinking, and even brighter skin. This cleanse isn't just about relief, it's a reset for your whole body. Enjoy the feeling of a fresh start from the inside out. Now you have the knowledge and the recipe, try it for yourself. Set aside a morning, follow the steps, and see how you feel. Use this cleanse occasionally when you need a reset, not every day. It's a powerful tool for those times you feel bloated or sluggish. After you try it, share your experience. Your story can inspire others. Talk about it with friends, family, or online. Let's start a conversation about digestive health and feeling your best. You have the power to change how you feel with just a few simple ingredients. Take the first step toward a cleaner, more energetic you. Your body will thank you. Mix up a glass and discover how great you're meant to feel.